Okay guys, so we have discussed about the Amazon product search page. Now we will start discussing and start navigating the Amazon product detail page. Okay, so this is a screenshot of Amazon product detail page, and let's go live to show you. Okay, so here we are on the Amazon search page, which we discussed in the previous video. So now let's go to the detail page. This is the product search page, and now I will click just one of the product. Okay, I have clicked this one. Now guys, we are on Amazon detail page. This is called the Amazon detail page. Okay, so we should be knowing and discussing each of the feature here mentioned, like the search bar and everything. So let's go on the slide. Okay guys, so you can see here that in the slide I have mentioned each and everything. This is the detail page of Amazon that I have took a screenshot, and I have mentioned each and everything here. You can see this is the product main image. Here are the images, all right, and this is the browse tree info. Okay, food cupboard and confectionery, and this is the blah blah blah. So this is the category mentioned here. This is like how the seller has categorized this product. He has first selected the food cupboard, and then next confectionery and chocolate, and then boxer and gifts. So this is the tree here mentioned, and we will be watching each of these things here on the Amazon detail page as well live. So here is the title mentioned, and below the title there is brand store, but this interface sometimes change, but you should be knowing that titles is mentioned on the detail page and brand store is mentioned. Reviews and star rating are mentioned there. Same, the category is mentioned here as well, category ranking. If the seller is a bestseller, so you can see here the bestseller badge with this person, and he will be earning, you cannot imagine. Okay, so in grocery it is having the bestseller rank. You can see here the price, and these are the variations, flavor variations and size variations, they are also mentioned here. You can see the main image here, and these are the images that the seller has uploaded. Here you can see the buy box. Okay, in the buy box you can see the shipping info, the fastest delivery and Thursday April. This all of the box is called buy box. Here you can see winning offer. Among all of these 66 offer, here you can see this is the number of sellers that are selling this product. It's a wholesale product. Okay, so 66 sellers are selling this product. So who is winning the buy box now? He is WP Consultants. Okay, this is the winning seller, winning offer, and this is buy box. Here you can see similar items to consider. This is a sponsored ad. Okay, that is showing here. Here you can see sellers offering the same items. You can see below here, these are the product features, bullets, bullet points, and this is the vital product info mentioned here. So this is the detail page of Amazon, and let's go for. Okay guys, so again this buy box is really important, so I am discussing it again shortly, that this buy box is basically the winning offer. Okay, among all of the sellers here you can see the winning offer will be having the buy box. Okay, so 80% of the sales of a listing, those are you can say depending on the buy box. 80% of the sales go through the buy box, and just few of the sellers like open the new offers and select any seller manually, but most of the buyers who come and want to buy this product, so they will just click add to cart, and they will just go on and buy that product instead of going forward and watching the sellers that who is selling on how much price. So there is a big myth behind the buy box, that who will win the buy box. We will be discussing that in the next lectures. And as you scroll down the detail page, we will be watching all of these features on the Amazon live. So when you scroll down, you will see this interface as well. There you will see the product description, and it will be written in front of you the same in one paragraph, and after below that you will find the product information like dimensions and item weight, manufacturer, and SN of that product, and all that information. So you can get the SN from here as well. Same when you will scroll down a bit more, so you will find the customer reviews there. After product information, there will be stars, and you can read out all the reviews for that product. And if you want to customize your product and make a better design, and you want to remove the flaws and the bad experiences that the buyers and customer have faced with that product, so you can remove them and make your product 100% perfect as per the customer's demand, so that you should not get the bad reviews that the competitor has got from the buyers. So guys, what information we get on the Amazon detail page, that is marketplace location, product URL, product search bar, and category, and product detail, title, rating, price, product variations, and we have discussed most of them. Just the remaining 2-3 things I will discuss them, and you can pause the video and read them out. So here you can see these are when you will first land on the Amazon detail page, when you will click a product listing and you will enter a detail page. So first of all, you will find the product URL. Okay, this all is the product URL, and after that, as I have told you before, you can find the SN in the product information as well there below the product description. And you can if you want to take the SN like in a quick and fast way and don't want to scroll down, so you can just pick it from here. You can just click this portion after the DP slash. After the DP slash, the number mentioned between the two slashes, forward slashes, this is the SN. And what is SN? Amazon Standard Identification Number. We will all be discussing these SNs and everything. After that, you can see the search bar, and let's go live. I will show you all of that information there. Okay guys, so we are on the Amazon live now. So you can see here, this is the Amazon URL, okay, the product URL and URL bar. So as I have told, after DP, okay, this is DP slash, and you can just double click and copy, and wherever you want to paste, and if you want to keep it in Excel, so you can just copy and paste it there. So between the two forward slashes, this number is Amazon Standard Identification Number. And here you can see the location. This is the search bar of Amazon. Here is the product main image, and these are the remaining images. This is the product title. Here is the store name. It's the brand, the rating and reviews. And this is the Amazon choice badge for garlic chopper. And this is the price. Here are the variations. This is the product vital info, product features. This is the buy box, and above this, which you can watch here, this is something I haven't mentioned there, but this is a tool that we are using, the Funnel Guru. So this is not a part of Amazon, it's a tool, okay? For product hunting we use in wholesale. And this is the winning offer. This is a private label product, so that's why it's just showing only one. Yeah, it's Kitchen Innovation here. The brand name is Kitchen Innovation, and same here you can see it's Kitchen Innovation. The same seller is selling this product. Okay, so here it's the ad, and let's go down. These are the frequently bought items together, and these are the sponsors. Okay, these are sponsors. After that, you can see here is the product description written, and after that, so this is the product information. Okay, and let's go down. And these are all the tabs, these spaces that you see, these are sponsored. So here you can see the questions and answer, and these are the customer reviews. You can read them out, and if you want to filter the only the 1-star rating and reviews, so you will just click it, and you will find only the 1-star rating, and you can collect them and then apply at your own product, so that you can take all these bad reviews out of your product and make it 100% perfect. So this was all about the Amazon detail page.